beautiful people. We are trying to be very stealthy because we are in a beautiful location, but we came in very early to avoid the crowd.
So we're at Cambugahay Falls. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that 100% correctly. It's one of the most popular waterfalls on the island of Siquijor. So we came here super early. Hopefully we'll have it to ourselves. Let's see. Oh my god, just got the first glimpse. Still nobody here. We have this whole place to ourselves. The water is like blue. It's warm, it's not too cold. And I just spotted some really cute puppies over there. I'm gonna go find them. Okay, we just walked up to the top pool because there's 3 pools, like I said. And oh my god. It's stunning.
Jump with me?
I'm scared. This is scary.
Just jump high and far.
I'm so scared.
Of what?
I don't know. I'm dying.
You won't die. You gotta do something that's scary every day. 3, 2.
I don't know.
Come on. Ready? The more you think, the harder it's gonna be. You gotta go for it.
I know.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Ready?
Okay.
On 2, 3, 2.
It's so scary jumping into water. Thank you.
I'm so proud of you. I really thought you were not going to do it. We did all the good stuff, the photos, the jumps, the fun kid things. There's still no one here, so we're gonna leave before our dream gets ruined.
Yeah, this has been so magical having this place all to ourselves and just us and the puppy.
Anyway, we're gonna get out of here before anyone arrives, and we might go find some breakfast.
Yeah, I think so. Let's go. We just found this restaurant and we've stopped for some coffee and breakfast. It's in the town just down from where the waterfalls are. And it's so cute. They bring this little tray. We ordered 2 brewed coffees. I didn't realize they were going to be these huge things, but I'm not at all mad about it. So, and the grains are coming out of this thing. So
You're gonna have to wait for a little bit.
I have to let it settle.
For the last 20 minutes after our breakie.
Breakfast was amazing. It was 400 pesos, but Max actually ordered 2 of those breakfasts because one was not enough for him. So yeah, pretty good for 3 breakfasts and 2 big brewed coffees. But we just stopped on the side of the road because the wheel sounds a bit funny on our scooter, and we think it's just a little bit flat and we need to pump it up.
Yeah, we also stopped right in front of what they call the Enchanted tree. It's a beautiful, huge tree,
Yeah.
but you probably have to pay for it, but you can actually see it from the side of the road. We'll show you in a minute.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not against tourist attraction, but I just feel like this one is considering you can see it from the side of the road, it's a beautiful tree. But
yeah, and you can even see there's like souvenir shops and all this kind of stuff built up around it. So it's 20 pesos to enter, but I feel like Max is still not gonna want to pay it because that's it right there. So it feels very touristy. As soon as you drive in, you have to pay for parking, you have to pay an entrance fee, you got to pay for the toilets. There's a bunch of souvenir shops and stuff around. So is it worth it? It's like a couple of bucks once you pay all those things, so not really that expensive, but it's just a big beautiful old tree. It's just, you know, when you come to touristy places like this, the magic is taken away because of the souvenir shops. So, as I suspected, Max is ready to go. Alright, we stopped at this gas station and they have air, so we're going to get our tire pumped up, see how much it costs. Alright, they did that for free, which is so nice. How does it feel, Max?
I don't know. I'll tell you in a minute.
Hopefully it's better. Alright, we made it to this waterfall and there's only one other couple here and it's so beautiful. So it's still early, it's not 10 o'clock yet. And Max is gonna jump from so high. Guide on the rope swing. Oh my god. That's terrifying. What is wrong with you people? I can't. Alright, so we're finished.
We're funny.
It was epic. It was so much fun. So you can go to these waterfalls. What are they called? What's the...
It's Lugnason Falls with
Lugnason.
the Zodiac Falls.
Okay. So you can go to Lugnason Falls. You can actually just go there on your own. You just walk down some steps and there's a beautiful waterfall. Or you can get one of the local guides to take you. And it's so much fun. You climb up... How many was there?
13 waterfalls.
13 waterfalls. They're called the Zodiac Waterfalls, so they're all named after different zodiac signs, so you can swim in your own waterfall. It's honestly sketchy but fun.
Oh my god!
So much fun.
It's super fun.
So definitely, if you're not very confident, then I wouldn't do it. But if you have a guide, they show you where to put your feet. Seriously, every turn is just as beautiful as the last one, if not more beautiful. This kid has done it a million times. He's telling us everywhere we need to put our feet. So, like, of course something bad could happen, you know. You're always risky when you do things like this, but feels pretty safe and it's so much fun.
Yeah, but here also we don't have rate of guide, so you can just have a guide and then we can just have if you enjoy it.
Yeah.
We just
Tip what you think.
We serve.
What do people normally tip you?
We don't really.
It's always different.
Yeah, like, but if you want, just but from the bottom of your heart if you enjoy.
Of course,
Yeah.
no.
Of course we're gonna give
we
you-
definitely got something for
I'm asking
you.
like one peso is okay. Yeah, as long as you enjoy it.
I think we can do a little bit better than 1 peso. It was so much fun, and it
the
was
most
like
important. You enjoy
an hour. Yeah, we spent like an hour climbing waterfalls with this guy, so definitely.
The most important is
Nice.
that the tourists will enjoy. That's our part of the job.
Oh, that's so nice. Such a good way to look at it. Now we're done. We're gonna head down towards a beautiful beach. Supposed to be the best beach in Siquijor. Also, make sure you buy a coconut on your way out.
Do you know that 1 coconut a day keeps the doctors away? Because we don't have apple here.
I love it. Perfect.
We don't have straw here, so
That's-
you can do like Filipino style.
Of course.
Plastic straw is not allowed, so save the nature.
It's perfect.
Thanks, man.
They're only 40 pesos and they are delicious, and also it just helps support the local community here. It's not a very busy waterfall, so anything you can do helps. All right, let's go.
We made it to Pangalon Beach?
Pantalon Beach.
Pantalon, which means pants in French.
Pantaloons.
Rumor has it that if you are wearing pants here, you are banned.
It's actually sans pantalon.
It's sans pantalon.
Supposed to be the most beautiful beach on this island, and it has all these nice rocks that you can see behind me, like kind of cliffs and trees, beautiful white sand, beautiful blue water. So I can definitely see why it is a little more popular. Clearly we're really tired. We will have a nap and then we'll be back with more energy to show you.
I'm sorry, what did you say? And then what else did you say?
One reason I'm in this water right now. Y'all know what it is.
No, I won't. No.
No?
It's happening right now.
Look what I found. You don't even need a snorkel. Pretty, huh?
Very pretty.
Okay, it's not the sunniest weather, as you can see. It's a tad cold for me if I'm wet, so we're also starving. We're gonna go find somewhere for lunch now. Alright, we've made it to this place,
Luca Loco.
Luca Loco.
Can eat that? Yes.
Duh.
Oh my god.
This is white chocolate. I get to eat this. Except we didn't know it was white chocolate before we ordered it, and I know I've already said I'm on a 30-day no chocolate, but I mean, I didn't know.
No, I didn't know you were.
Taste it.
I got the peanut butter smoothie. It's not as cute as hers. Yours is like...
I feel like taste-wise, we may prefer Max's because it's peanut butter. We love peanut butter. But looks-wise...
Alright, go for it. Destroy that ocean.
No. I'm sorry, I have to take 7,000 photos first.
I'm gonna try. It's so light and fresh. No, it's just so refreshing after like the sea, because we haven't rinsed since the beach. Oh, this is just so... Love it. Delicious.
I'm gonna have a blue smoothie bowl for the first time ever. We're gonna get a bit of the water and the sand.
No, you're destroying it.
We're gonna leave the white chocolate for later, but it's obviously very banana-y. I don't even know what this blue flavor is. Really creamy. It's like, it's good.
Yeah.
I want to taste yours.
She found something.
So I got down to the bottom and there's all of this granola seeds and everything at the bottom. Max goes, she hit a reef. That adds a lot to it.
Bye. Bye.
Lunch was amazing, very delicious and healthy. Not the cheapest, it was 555 pesos for those 2 smoothie bowls. We had no drinks or anything else, but not too bad either, so that's okay. Seems to have stopped raining for now, but there's still a lot of really dark clouds about, so...
We're gonna go home before it starts raining again.
10 a.m. and we're already going to find our second waterfall of the day. So, oh sorry.
Typical. 3, 2,